What up, guys? I got home from work today and was super stoked to have this giant box rock up, which I suspect is the box I received for doing the new Motion Board Shop website. And Motion were a bunch of homies that I got in contact with and hung out with and skated with while I was in Seattle. They hit me up to design their website, and they sent me a box for doing it, so I'm super stoked. If you haven't checked out the new site, the link will be in the description. Here's a few shots of it. I'm really stoked with how it looks and the results it's producing for them, so I'm super hyped to open this box. Let's get to it. Yes. Woo. Let's start with the big deal. This is a Subsonic Vega, which they sent to me, which is amazing. Subsonic is a brand from Seattle, and they're a super cool brand. They press all their boards by hand. They're all handmade, custom skateboards, and I've been waiting for this for a couple weeks, and I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much. I'm so grateful. Best way to get these out is going to be just emptying them onto the bed. So many stickers. Holy shit. Holy shit. The middle finger motion tee, which honestly was a personal request because I think it's amazing. And we get a classic motion cat tee, the little motion highlight on the back. So we get a set of Venom Harlots in 82A, which I'm super stoked to skate. A set of 60mm, little baby ones. A set of 60mm Blood Orange Morgans in the 80A in the Midnight series. And a set of 83A Cloud Ride mini slides, which I'm already a fan of because they look amazing and they're gonna skate amazing. This is amazing. I give so much thanks to Jason Jackson and the whole Motion team, Nate Brax, all the guys there. This means so much to me and I want to thank you guys so much. I'm gonna set up this board and skate. The weather is looking mighty fine today. It is Sunday. I'm about to head out and go skateboarding. A lot has changed in my life. This is a continuation from the unboxing I did, but it is now a different day because I'm just trying to make this giant mega vlog for you guys. A lot has changed over this week. I'm still trying to do the best I can in life. Let's go skate.
Hey Dan, shut the fuck up.
Cunt. Fuck off.
What are you gonna do?
Fuck off.
What are you gonna do?
That's what I'm gonna do.
What are you gonna do?
Fuck off.
That hurts my feelings.
Alright.
That hurts my
Alright.
feelings. That hurts my feelings.
Great shit. So at the moment, we got Dan and Jack riding Nambo, skating some hills, getting clips. Should be a good day.
Oh jeez, Rick! I really don't know about this, Rick!
Yeah, boy, get it, boy.
What the hell was that? What the hell was that? today was amazing, guys. There's so much rad stuff going on at the moment, and I'm so keen to show you guys what's going on, and these vlogs are gonna tell that story. So subscribe, tell me what you're stoked about at the moment in life, tell me what you're stoked about in skateboarding, comment it below, let me know, and I'll be in touch. Thank you guys for watching, subscribing, liking, and supporting the growth of this channel and my life. Cheers guys, I'll talk to you later.